Hello students, welcome back. In the previous class we discussed about secret messages. How will you decode secret messages? And today we will start our section with these pictures. Here, look at the pictures. Two pictures are here. What are the specific? What do you have to see here? In these pictures we can see these pictures are made up with some geometric shapes. These pictures are made up with some geometric shapes and there is no gaps between the shapes. They are not overlapping. This type is called tiling or tessellation. This is called tessellation or tiling. A tessellation or tiling is the covering of a surface using one or more geometric shapes with no overlaps and no gaps. When we cover a surface with some geometric shapes without any gap or overlapping. When we look at the floor, when we tile the floor, you can see there is no overlappings. There is no gap between that tiles. That is called tiling, or we can say tessellation. It is tessellation. Okay. Next picture. What we have seen here, Taj Mahal and a butterfly. When we look at these pictures, we can see one half of it is exactly same as the other half. When we look at these pictures, one half of it, and we divide that into two halves, one half is exactly same as the other half. In Taj Mahal, we can see that the first half is exactly same as the second half. In the butterfly case also, here these two halves are same. This is called symmetry. This is called symmetry. An object or shape is symmetrical when one half of it is exactly the same as the other half. We can see so many symmetrical shapes in our nature. So symmetry is an object or shape is symmetrical when one half of it is exactly the same as the other half. That is called symmetry. The dividing line, that is called line of symmetry. The line that divides the shape into matching halves is called the line of symmetry. Line of symmetry means the line that divides the shapes into matching halves. That is called a line of symmetry. So today we discussed tessellation, symmetry and line of symmetry. Tessellation means, what is tessellation? Tessellation or tiling is the covering of a surface using one or more geometric shapes with no overlaps and no gaps. That is called a tessellation or tiling. Just remember your floor. When we tile the floor, you can see we didn't give any gap or we didn't overlap the tiles. That is called a tessellation. Tessellation means it's the covering of a surface using one or more geometric shapes with no overlaps and no gaps. Then we discuss symmetry. Symmetry means an object or shape is symmetrical when one half of it is exactly same as the other half. And the dividing line, that is called the line of symmetry. The line that divides a shape into matching halves is called the line of symmetry. And homework questions, let us try 12.3 and let us try 12.4 full. Just write that in your textbook. Okay. So today's class is over. See you in the next class. Thank you.